41 to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead.
I'm ready to release 24067 when you're ready.
Copy that, sir. I'm ready. Go ahead.
This is Billy Privets, and I'm ready to release C24067 on the Hoover 69 kV line, just north of Highway Sub. All personnel and equipment are in the clear. All personal grounds have been removed, and the equipment is ready for normal service.
I understand that Billy Privets is releasing C-24-067 on the Hoover line, 69 kV line, just north of Highway Sub. All of your personnel and equipment are in the clear. All personal grounds have been removed, and the equipment is ready for normal service.
That's correct.
Release time is 10:10.
I understand. Release time is 10:10.
That is correct.
10-4. We can go ahead and start with the action order, but I'm not ready to do step 5 just yet.
Copy that. Just let me know when you're ready, and we'll go ahead and begin.
10-4. 41 to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead.
This time we are ready to start GS 24078.
I understand everybody's in place in the clear and ready to begin switching order GS 24-078.
That is correct.
Copy that. At this time, we will begin switching order GS-24-078. Clearance C-24-067 has been released. All grounds have been removed, and all men and equipment are in place and in the clear and ready to begin switching. Step 1, system operations at Hoover Breaker will place PCB 69130 in non-reclose. At this time, step 1 has been completed. System operations at Hoover Breaker has placed PCB 69130 in non-reclose. Moving to step 2, system operations at Pierce Ray Sub will place PCB 69256 in non-reclose. At this time, step 2 has been completed. System operations at Pierce Ray Sub has placed PCB 69256 in non-reclose. This order was slightly modified. We will now move to step 5. System operations at Hoover Breaker will open PCB 69130, de-energizing the line south towards the open jumpers. At this time, step 5 has been completed. Hoover Breaker is verified open. PCB, de-energizing the line south towards the open jumpers. Moving to step 3. 41. At the next air tap at pole 123760, can you remove tag 2900 and make up jumpers on the south side of the pole?
41 to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead.
Okay, I understand. At the next air tap, pole 123760, you're ready to remove tag 2900 and make up jumpers on the south side of the pole.
That is correct.
10-4, stand by. On to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead.
Okay, at this time, step 5 is complete. Actually, step 3, the next air tap, pole 123760. We've removed tag 2900 and made up jumpers on the south side of the pole.
I understand step 3 is complete. At next air tap at pole 123760, you removed tag 0 and made up jumpers on the south side of the pole.
That's all correct. We'll be en route for step 6. I'll let you know.
Copy that. Let me know when you're in place in the clear at pole 05105, and we will continue with step 4.
10-4. 41 to dispatch.
Dispatch, go ahead.
Yeah, we are in place and ready to proceed.
I understand you are at pole 05105 and ready to proceed with step 4.
That is correct. Ready to proceed starting at step 4.
Moving to step 4, system operations at Pierce Ferry Sub will open PCB 69256, de-energizing the line north towards 69 kV switch 6933. At this time, step 4 has been completed. System operations at Pierce Ferry Sub has opened PCB 69256, de-energizing the line towards 6933. Can you move tag 2836 and close 69 kV switch 6933?
This is 41. I understand at pole 05105. You're ready for me to remove tag 2836 and close 69 kV switch 6933.
That is correct.
10-4, standby. 41 to dispatch. This time, step 6 is complete at pole 05105. I've removed tag 2836. Closed 69 kV switch 6933.
I understand you completed step 6, 05. You removed tag 2836 and closed 69 kV switch 6933.
That's correct.
Copy that. Moving to step 7. System operations at Pierce Ferry Sub will close PCV 69256, energizing the line to open Hoover breaker. At this time, step 7 has been completed. System operations at Pierce Ferry Sub has closed PCV 69256, energizing line north to the open Hoover breaker. At this time, I will be contacting Nevada Energy to go ahead and try to close in Hoover breaker. I will announce over the radio when I do close Hoover breaker. Otherwise, that concludes the switching at this time. Thank you. Regional personnel, I previously announced that I would be announcing when I close Hoover breaker at this time. Hoover breaker will remain open foreseeable until Nevada Energy gives us the indication of any maintenance they're going to be doing on the 7006A. Thank you.